Chiliz holder. So what's going on, my crypto holder? Today video is going to be very special, and I have one special good news for only Chiliz holder, only for Chiliz holder, not for everyone. If you are any crypto holder, please watch this video. But if you are Chiliz holder, then don't skip this 1 second of this video, okay? Because this is very important for you. So let's get started. Price prediction. First of all, the good news is also very important, but I also say you in this video. But first of all, the live price prediction is important. Let's get started the price prediction of Chiliz. But first of all, I request you to please subscribe every stick channel, because if you subscribe this channel, then friends, this channel provide you very latest updates of all cryptocurrency. If you are any crypto holder, then this channel provide you a very latest update. Guys, if you can see here, this time the last 24-hour result, they change occur and very positive. You can see here 9.11% then gone up. The price of latest Chiliz coin as 0.5259 US dollar. This is the latest price of Chiliz. So I hope in upcoming days they can easily hit $1 US as the target of Chiliz holder. So I hope in the CEO of Chiliz as easily I use recommend of all of you to you just buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit. So let's see towards they gone. But first of all, you can see here this time the lowest you can see here the lowest chain as 0.4642 US dollar, and the highest is here. You can see here the highest chain as 0.587 US dollar. So this time I think they're gone in the mid of these two changes. So let's see to what's going on in the graph result. The graph result also very important. Let's check out the last 7-day graph result to what's going on in the previous 7 days. I tell you guys, to the last 7 days previous result, all crypto market got totally in the lost. 10 billion US dollar to crypto market lost. So this is very high change occurs. So you can see here this time you can see I don't know why they are not showing the graph, it's not showing. But let's check out the changes and the market cap to what's going on in the market cap changes. So this time, if you can see here, the trading volume as 232.42% gone up. Trading volume has absolutely gone very fastly go up. So the market domain is 0.14% going up, and the market rank, if you can see here, this is the very fastest cryptocurrency, and the number and the market crypto market as a 45. So absolutely, I hope in upcoming days they easily hit. They are in the top 10. Absolutely, if they go like this, then absolutely they are in the top 10. So the market cap is absolutely 9.28% gone down. Full diluted market cap is absolutely 9.1% go down. So I hope sorry gone up. Oh my goodness, what I tell you, market cap is absolutely 9.28% gone up, and full diluted market cap absolutely gone up. They're totally gone up, my friends, totally gone up. Sorry for this bad news, I tell you. Okay, so this time, if you can see here again, let's check out to the last 7-day chart. They cannot show. Okay, let's check out the last 1-day chart to what's going on in the last 1-day chart. Absolutely very important for especially Chiliz holder. So Chiliz holder, the good news is that I do a giveaway of Chiliz coin, 5,000 coin Chiliz giveaway is coming soon. So don't miss this giveaway, because this is very important for everyone. If you want to earn Mac money, and if you want to millionaire, so absolutely don't skip this video, because this is very good chance. So you just complete my 10,000 subscriber, and I hope you do it, and then I do a giveaway. I make special video for this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.